All right, we gotta.
Go, McGee, go. Get it. Oh,
Hit. 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 We got a medic. I need medic. Need medic. I need a medic. You got a medic?
Where's your bandage?
Hey, we got a medic. Hey, I got a medic right here, Steve. I'll drag you in here. Hang on.
Yeah, I got an injured arm. I can't drag anybody.
Hey, got a medic right here.
Grab hold of me. Give him that. Here we go. Okay. Give him that bandage.
Hey. Who else is hit?
All of us. Got one right to your right.
A whole crew's hit right there.
You took too long to get to that door. We're too far away.
No, you.
Well, I actually had a guy walk up because I was trying to heal somebody through a murder hole. I said, this isn't illegal. And then he says it's an Israeli bandage. And I went, which means because I have to do it a certain way. And he said, I got shot in the arm. Bitch. I'm not going out to get him.
I can get Richard.
Watch your head. Yeah, no doubt, brother. There you go. I was just talking about this, right?
Shit.
You guys get inside. Yell stuff right over here. Hold it. 45.
Huh?
45.
Hey, can you cover me? Steve, can you cover me?
Hang on, don't go yet. Don't go yet. Let me get a new mag.
Just suppress fire so I can get Richard Lee. I am.
All right, run it.
Medic! 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 Right here. All right, full I'm coming for you next. Huh? Do what? Okay, all right. All right. Go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. He's medicing. Let's go upstairs. We can't do anything about them. Hey, are they in this next building next to us?
No, not right here. But the building is a two-part building. And on the other side is a two-story.
Oh, I got
So
you.
in that window, he's in there, but not down here. We probably have friends down here. But that window right here, I don't know about this one.
What? Who? We haven't been able to take that building the whole day. The whole day we haven't been able to take it. Hey, careful. They're in that small building down next to us. Across. Steve! Steve! Hey, are they in this building next to us? Hey, I got distance. Hang on. I got distance. I don't see him right now.
He was right up there.
Richard, you good? Jason, you get it safe?
I'm up, yeah.
Awesome. Hey, they're in that same still building, and they're in the building that we used to be in, this one story.
I'm going up.
Where? Oh.
There.
Come on, come on, come on, hurry, hurry. Huh? We still need to take that. He's going across. Did he make it?
Oh shit.
Where?
Right behind that guy. You see that? No, look. Brother, you gotta stand up to see it. You see that last window on the right? You see where the breaker's at?
Yeah.
He's in like stuck in that corner. He just moved right there in that corner.
Right there?
Now he's moving. Now there's another one moving to the left.
Where I'm shooting at?
Now he's moving to the left. Look, come over.
Oh,
Right
yeah.
there, right there. Let's go. We're gonna cover. Yo, let's go.
Jason, you want to go to the next building?
I'm taking the walk of shame.
Huh?
I'm taking the walk of shame.
What happened?
I got shot from the building that I wanted to shoot at. As soon as I got up there and got in position, chick lit me up, man.
Oh shoot, they're flying. Hey, they're shooting from this car over here. They're shooting from this car over here. If I go down, I'm done. I need to go back and respawn. Hey, hey, hey! I need someone else. I'm gonna come to the blue door. Just watch. Just keep cover on it. Hey, hey! They're about to come through this blue door, man. It's open right now. Right here in front of me. Is that you shooting?
No,
or is it them?
that's him. There's one right around that corner. The corner that
Oh, I see, I see.
Wait, yeah.
They're shooting. They're shooting. Hey, I got two. I got two. Hey, blue door, blue door, blue door, blue door. Blue door. Blue door, blue door. He's still peeking around. I need help. They're about to come through this blue door. No, we're good, we're good. Just cover, just cover. He can't hit us right here. We got the blue door covered though. Guns don't count as hits. Hey, they're opening that blue door right there. You see them? They're shooting from that car too. They're
Yeah, there's two around the car. One around the corner of the building.
Hey. They're running right now. They're running across. They're still running across. They're still running across. No, they're running. We cannot. There's only two of us. Oh, he's got a sniper. He's there.
Who's that behind the car?
That's them. That's them.
Get him?
I'm trying. What happened?
Lost all the air out of my tank. Why?
How?
I don't know. You guys came upstairs. I got dead down there.
Where's everybody else?
I don't know.
Jason, where's everybody? Where? He's right there. Is that? What are we doing?
We're suppressing these windows.
Let's keep watching. What are you doing?
Suppress fire! Building across!
I saw a movement right here.
There's a guy straight over here.
Where's the guy? He's got color. Look. On the other window.
Where are they over here?
Right here, my 12 is right back. Just like 10 feet inside that window.
This one or this one?
No, this one over here.
This one?
Yeah, straight across.
Oh, here.
1 o'clock. You got more range than I do.
I can't see him though.
Yeah, he's like way back in front. There's right where that shadow, the light starts.
Yeah.
That's where he's at.
Oh shoot, where are they shooting? Huh? Where?
I can't tell if he was on his feet. I just saw somebody moving, so I shot.
They're having to suppress fire when you see this blood.
Are we attacking that building?